Let me record. Hello, everybody. I'm going to try to help out a little bit if I can. When you go through the process, you're going to come to a page like this. It's that simple. It looks just like this. There's the address, ecosystem.unpassive.com/AUTH. Okay? When you get here, don't just click register. You got to click for founders. You got to click this first. Boom. Now you're going to put in here your founder email. And you're going to put in your founder password. And when you do that and you click boom, let me see if I can do one. Let me do one real quick. Team Now Money, that's mine. Not sure if that's my email or not. Let me double check my email. Hold on. Okay, that's the proper email. You click here. See all the stuff's populated? That's my alternate email. So that should be there. My name's there. That's there. Then you put in the email that you want. Most people are just taking the front end of their email, this one, and putting it here to keep it simple. Then a password, and if you turn this on, you can see what password you're putting in, right? Whatever. This one too. Make sure whatever you put here, you put here. Try to use letters, symbols, and numbers. Okay, like 8 or 9. This will turn green, by the way. Then go verify this account. When you get to the account, there'll be 6 numbers there. Come back and place them in. I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to show you. I already used the email, so I can't show you. But when you click this, it'll show up. You go get the 6 digits, put them in, click verify again, go to your country, put your telephone number, and boom. Click that. And guess what? You're done. Then the next time you come to this page, you can log in regular. Let me give you an example. That's one of the accounts. Log in regular, log in. Bada boom, bada bing, right? And if you notice here, you go to profile. Look what's here. Look what's here. See that button? That means you are a founder inside OES. Now, what I want to show you is, see this over on the left side? That doesn't show up on some of the phones. That's why I didn't say it. This shows up everywhere. If you have this, you are a founder in OES. If you're not, follow the instructions on my live and Red's live. Thank you very much. Let me log out of here. Bada bing, bada boom. And let me shut this off. Boom. And thank you very much.